we had oil samples sent in on a weekly basis after we had the unit installed. And really at the end of the day, that was all management really wanted to see. They wanted to see some results. We didn't expect results for at least a month. We had a large reservoir, although we had a fairly high flow slipstream through the unit. We were expecting to see results. I think if people were expecting to see results within a week or 2 weeks. But that didn't happen. What we saw was about a month. After about the 4th sample, we noticed a step change in the oil quality. We noticed no difference. We noticed some difference in particulate size loading, so that we were actually doing some filtration from the unit. We did reach a point, and it was just a defined knee, and the varnish potential dropped dramatically within 2 samples. And a month from where we noticed the first drop in varnish, we were down below our what we'll call our condemning limit. And within another month after that, the oil was, I almost have to say, varnish potential lower than new. We got to where we passed where our expectations were.